The Business Mentor Talks is vlogged by no other, Armando Butz Bartolome, in cooperation with the Manila Times. It aims to bring to life and recognize entrepreneurs who constantly strive to create a living for the community as well. Listen to the Business Mentor Talks with Butz Bartolome.
Good afternoon. Alam mo, ito naman si Butz Bartolome sa Business Mentor Talks. At alam mo, meron tayong isang may interview, isang lady behind such a magnitude of business. Engineer siya, but talagang ini-engineer niya yung proseso ng negosyo. So without further ado, let me introduce to you Engineer Grace Pondad Nicolas of the Rising Tiger. Grace, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Kamusta na ang Rising Tiger?
We're very, very happy. And of course, I'm happier now because I'm being interviewed by the franchise guru here in the Philippines. Again.
Again. Alam mo, maraming suking-suki ko na ito kasi gusto kong kumuha ng mga update, di ba? So, paano nga talaga ikaw nagsimula para sa mga ating viewers ngayon sa Business Mentor Talks?
So, are we talking about
you as an engineer? Bakit nga pala engineer ka? Gusto nilang malaman, ang babae engineer? Para bang, yan, sige.
So, basically, I grew up in very business-minded parents. So, grade 6 pa lang ako, pinapupunta na ako ng parents ko dun sa tindahan nila. In the province, alam mo yung ang bahay mo nasa likod, tapos ang tindahan mo nasa harap.
Taga Laguna kayo?
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Di ba? Yan taga Laguna. Pero Lagunense. Lagunense. Yan.
Oo, okay. So, ito yung hindi kami sanay gumising ng 7 o'clock. Sanay kami 5 in the morning. Yung tumitilaok pa ang manok, gising ka na.
Naunahan nyo ba minsan ng manok?
Yes. So, ganun ka sisipag ng parents ko. Yung parang kapag tulog ka pa ng 6 a.m., tamad ka na.
Okay.
I'm not kidding. Parang tamad ka na. And then, during that time, kala ko inuutusan lang ako na I'm the eldest of 3 children, all girls. So, sabi ng tatay ko, kung anong kayang gawin ng lalaki, kayang gawin mo. Kasi walang choice. Kasi puro kami babae and I'm the eldest.
Maganda yung sinabi mo.
Yes.
Kung ano kaya ng lalaki, kaya ng babae. Di ba? Yan ang tandaan natin. Women empowerment. Di ba?
Yes, that's right. So, kami yung full support talaga ng parents on what we like to do. Wala akong na-receive na stop or disagreement with regards to sa kaya namin gawin. So, during that time, hindi ako nagkakamali, like grade 6, so elementary pa lang yan. Pinapupunta na ako ng tatay ko sa tindahan, hardware store. So, it's a construction company. So, that's why kahit na nakapikit ako, alam ko kung anong kailangang materyales sa paggawa ng bahay or building.
Teka, inuutusan ka. Yan ba yung naging buo sa loob mo? Or medyo nag-struggle ng konti?
Wala kahit isang struggle. Why? Ang nasa isip ko, ang mindset ko during that time, ay, natututo ako plus nakakapag-exercise ako. Kasi pawis na pawis ako. Yung
ito yung hardware na walang aircon.
Ito yung walang aircon.
Ito yung mga may stante.
Ito yung may istante. Ito yung may hollow blocks. We're manufacturing hollow blocks. Ito yung merong coco lumber. Kami yung nagagayat ng coco lumber. Kami ang nagbibilang ng mga bakal, ng mga semento. Sasabihin ng tatay ko.
Man's world,
Yes, ito sasabihin ng tatay ko. May dumating na isang truck, bilangin mo ang semento. Ito yung 600 pieces to 1,000 pieces. Ako naman, bata ako, sige bibilangin ko. Sumusunod lang ako. What's nice also kasi, lahat ng hingin ko, binibigay din. So parang, I'd like to do it.
Give and take.
I'd like to do it at the same time. Kaya sabi ng iba, nasa kahaminsan ako. Kasi nga, family business. Sabi, hindi ka ba nangungupit? Sabi ko, ba't ako mangungupit? Binibigay nila everything.
Exactly.
Yes. So, I'm very, very grateful. Doon nag-start.
So yung discipline mo na you're able to really choose na wala kang chino-choose na negosyo. Basta pinapasok mo, you're really put your heart and soul into
You
it.
know what's nice na nakita ko sa sarili ko? I'm adaptable.
Ah,
Kaya if you're going to check all my posts, all the industries I'm in,
correct.
I'm happy all the time. I work with Robert Laurelio Pangco. It's a tourism company as the COO. O hindi ako ang boss doon. Siya ang boss. And then, napapunta ako sa tag niya in public relation. It's branding and consultancy. It's marketing.
Yeah.
And then, napapunta rin ako sa manufacturing of cosmetics.
Okay.
During pandemic, yan yung even alcohol, binenta ko yan. Even face shield. Every day nagwo-work ako, as in, I'm happy. Wala akong na-receive, na ano sa katawan ko na I'm complaining.
Saan kumukuha ng energy si Grace?
I think, nasanay na ako. Kasi nga, ang tatay at nanay ko, ang sisipag. My mother, for 15 years, was a kindergarten teacher and very much loved ng mga students niya. 15 years.
Wow.
Ito yung o-order siya ng materials. Kasama ako. Kami yung bata na mag-jeep siya to order the materials ng supplies.
Correct.
Kasama kami. Tatlo kami magkakapatid. After the school, hila-hila niya kami. So nakita ko everything. Oo, wala rin ako narinig na struggle sa parents ko.
Correct.
Ang sabi ng tatay ko, trabaho lang akong trabaho, bahala kayo dyan. Makatapos kayo na pag-aaral, that's the goal. Yun.
So,
yes.
mapunta tayo dito sa Rising Tiger. Yan. Paano mo naman na nagkaroon ng pangalan? Yan ito paano niya naging pangalan ang Rising Tiger? O yan, Grace, paano nga ba?
Okay, first thing, it's the year of the tiger. That's during the pandemic.
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah.
Oo, so I really love to write. I'm a writer under the Manila Times also. I'm contributing writer.
Ito mo yan ka-fellow writer natin. Siya writer, ako vlog.
Yes,
Diba?
yes. And don't forget po, sometimes in 2012, I work as a consultant under Philippine Information Agency.
Oh.
So I'm the regional media coordinator.
Okay.
So I'm
naging in your bloodstream is really writing. You're able to express.
My story din kasi yan.
Correct.
Since my mother was a kindergarten teacher, she loves to write. Siya rin yung palagi ko nakikita sa stage, hosting. Kasi nga, di ba, teacher? Every time sa school, even malayo ako sa kanya, nagsusulat ng love letter for me. Yes. So, siguro doon ko nakita na, ay, ang sarap pala magbasa. Ang sarap din magsulat.
Correct.
So, it's natural for me. Gusto ko talagang magsulat.
So, paano nga na The Rising Tiger? Ito, mabalik tayo kasi, alam mo, na-intriga ako talaga dito dahil ito yung nakita ko yung pag-uumpisa nito. Pero, biglang dumadami na dumadami. No? At saka yung mga personalities na iyong fini-feature ay hindi biro-biro.
Yes, yes.
Paano mo na-reach out itong mga tao to? Sige, paano mo madali ba magsimula ng ganitong negosyo na Rising Tiger Magazine?
Palagi po yan na hindi madaling magsimula. Di ba ang sabi nila, palagi
no pain, no gain.
there's challenges.
Correct.
Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na successful yan kaagad.
Totoo.
Palaging, teka muna, saan tayo kukuha ng printer? Tapos, anong pangalan? So, since yun nga po yung pandemic, di ba, a year of the tiger. So, that's why may tiger. And then, napakaganda kasi yung palaging positive, rising.
Correct.
So, we combined it.
Ganda, no? Rising Tiger. Parang,
So, ito po ay mga emerging leaders. Kaya Rising Tigers. But don't forget po, may nakalagay na and Nation Builders.
correct. O, ayan,
Pag binasa nyo,
Rising Tigers and Nation Builders, ha? Nation Builders talaga.
so it's a combination.
So, nakakailang, ilan na, pang-ilan na itong magazine na ito ang na-publish ninyo?
So, it's, for this year kasi it's bi-monthly.
By
And
month.
then last year, it's only our second year this year. And then last year, quarterly.
Okay.
So, nakakaroon ng overlaps din pag may gusto magpa-publish. Kaya kung makikita niyo po dun sa current issue, that's June to September. Pero nagkaroon tayo ng May. Oo. So, parang hindi nagiging bi-monthly, nagkakaroon ng overlapping. So, for this year po, ang target natin ay bi-monthly and we're doing that. And then, syempre, the main goal will be monthly. next
So how
time.
do you identify all these people that you're going to interview? Paano mo nililayout sa isip mo, Grace?
Mhm. Actually, Pep, you're going to check also. Gusto nating ma-feature talaga may inspiring story.
Correct.
Oh, katulad nyo. So, na-feature
Oy,
kayo.
na-feature ako niyan, ha? At,
Yes.
ako'y nagpapasalamat sa kanya.
So, gusto ko nga, di ba, ulitin nga natin.
Correct,
Kasi maraming mga bagong readers at the same time.
Correct.
Yes. So, pinipili po natin mga first inspiring stories. Pangalawa, you must be really a leader.
Ayun, importante.
Not just na meron kang following, but of course, you're handling a lot of people. Something like that.
So, sino-sino mga personalities sa mga interview mo? O,
We're very
mga
happy.
kilalang tao, yan. Sige.
Yeah, yes. Kilalang kilala natin. Ang Comelec Chairman,
Yes.
George Erwin M. Garcia.
Oh, si
So,
Comelec Chairman, ha? Okay.
Yes. Pangalawa, si BIR Commissioner, June Lumagi Jr.
Correct. Okay.
And then the first woman president under AstraZeneca, Philippines.
Yes.
Ayan, Lotis Ramin. Chooks to go president before kasi kare-retire lang niya. Si Ronald Mascareñas.
Paano mo na-approach to? Anong technique ni Grace? Di ba mahirap to reach out to these people?
Actually po, palaging merong struggle pa rin yan.
Correct.
Kaya lang,
Para
siguro,
bang hindi ko ba tinatanong, sino ka? Ganun ba yun?
honestly speaking, syempre, I'm sure they're researching.
Correct.
They're doing yung Googling na tinatawag, then checking sino yung mga previews na naging
Ayun.
featured leaders.
Oo.
But don't forget po, yung first featured leaders natin came from front row. Sa dami ng following din naman niya.
Correct.
Si R.S. Francisco.
At may ambassador ka raw na interview.
Yes.
Ambassador
Napakarami
ng
po.
Malaysia.
Malaysia, Indonesia. Siguro po kung they are 60 ambassadors, siguro we had 40 already.
So, ano na ngayon? Meron kang coffee table, na launch, di ba? Meron kang coffee
But
table
don't forget po, it's my second coffee table book.
Oh, wow.
And
Teka, saan mabibili yung mga coffee table mo? Ito ba,
yes.
online or somewhere? Like, I know it's in National Bookstore, yan. Yan, makikita nyo. At, so saan nila mabibili yan? I'm sure a lot of people want to read that.
But the magazine first is in national bookstores nationwide. And you can read it also in Philippine Airlines Mabuhay Lounges.
Oo nga. Nakita niyo na ba yun? Sa Philippine Airlines, yung mga lounges. Sabi ko, nakakulat ako kasi sabi ko, parang, believe ako sa design mo, you are international format.
Yes.
Right? I mean, if you notice this, if I'm in a foreign country and I see this, I know it's a foreign look, right?
We do
Parte
our
ba yan
research.
ng visioning mo na I'm not going to produce a magazine that's cheapy looking?
Hindi naman po yun yung pinaka-goal. Ang goal natin is to be at par
Correct.
with the existing leading magazines. We don't want to
Correct.
say that we're leading kasi ang dami na rin namang nauna. At
Correct.
least naman makakuha tayo ng 80% of
Saka
the pie.
dekalidad, I mean, ito
Yes.
hindi nyo naman pwedeng sabihin nyo, cheapy-cheapy. Ang ganda, ang kaganda ng layout.
We did all the research with regards to the thickness of the magazine and also
Ganda.
the size.
Alright. So, I'm happy that you have a second generation. Yan. Kwento mo
Yes.
sa akin yung second generation na ngayon ay tina-transfer mo ang technology. Your
Yes.
daughter. Oh.
Yes, it's Andrea. She's my eldest. But actually, there's no struggle naman pagdating sa kanya. She loves what she's doing.
Correct. Okay. So, final thought, Grace, doon sa mga mothers or probably like you starting up, ano yung mga tatlong takeaways that you can share?
As a mother,
As a mother and as an entrepreneur, as a wife, di ba? Kasi kayong women are, believe ako sa inyo, talagang saludo ako sa inyo kasi you can be a mother, you can be the wife, you can be an entrepreneur. How do you balance this?
I keep on telling to everyone, to my daughter, to my family, that you need to make an impact. That's first thing. It's not about us anymore. It's for the next generation.
Correct.
Alam naman natin yun, di ba? So, I told them, it's not about your parents, but it's about you doing the best that you can do, and not only for yourself, but for the nation. Yun yung first. Then second, with the family, ini-involve ko sila. So the husband is the chairman, and then I'm the one doing the operation, and then Andrea is the CMO, and my twin daughters.
Oh, may twin.
Yeah, they're contributing also into digital.
Oh, okay. So, ayan mga kaibigan I'm sure you really want to see the difference. Try to get the Rising Tigers at Nation Builders. Okay, so this is a magazine. You know the founder, you know her wisdom, and really, I'm so happy to see Grace really flourishing,
Thank you.
blooming. Para bang forever young, no? Yung
Thank
titignan
you,
nyo,
thank
Para bang
you.
si
Always
Grace,
21 eh.
always 21.
Yeah,
right.
In the mind.
So again, maraming salamat, Grace, for again gracing this
It's my
moment.
pleasure.
Really,
My pleasure.
I'm happy the progress of Rising Tigers and
Thank you.
Nation Builders.
Yes.
And she's also the president of PCCI Los Baños. So yan po, ang dami niyang pinagkakaabalahan. Di ba? Para bang how many hours do you really work?
Yes.
Ilang
Pero
oras ba yan? I mean,
that's the challenge also
Oo.
kasi it's online now. So as
Correct.
much as possible, if I can do it 24/7, I'll do it. Pero kailangan natin magpahinga.
health is wealth, right?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay, Grace, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. And again,
Welcome.
sa ating mga viewers, learn from this. And again, till next time, ito po si Butch Bartolome ng Business Mentor Talks. Thank you. Bye-bye.